welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make butter chicken roast. You can easily make this butter chicken roast with a very minimal amount of ingredients. Very delicious side dish recipe that best goes with pulavs and rotis. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan and add a tablespoon of butter to it. When the butter melts, add 3 chicken legs. Make slits before adding. Give it a quick flip. Then add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and mix it well. Then add half teaspoon of salt and saute well until the raw flavor of the ginger garlic paste goes off. Then add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, and quarter teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Then add half cup of water and mix it well. When the water comes to a boil, close with the lid and cook for 20 minutes in low flame. Once in a while, open and flip the chicken leg pieces so that they get cooked evenly. It's been 20 minutes now. The water has nicely reduced, so let's roast it for 2 more minutes until the water has completely dried up. Now it's nicely done and ready. You can enjoy this butter chicken roast with pulavs or rotis. This butter chicken roast is very easy to make and a very delicious recipe. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.